In this video, guys, we will speak about attributes. So we spoke already what attributes are, and now we need to use them. So at first, attributes is something what describe the object. So we have three objects, book 1, book 2, and book 3, and we can put their attributes. Okay, so how we can do that? The first option is that you will do that like this. So the book 1 is a first instance or the first object, and the point is that the book 1 is empty now. So you can put it like this. Book 1 dot title is equal, I will call it title, and the title of the first book will be something like this. I need to put here double quotes because we have a single quote here. Okay, so now if I would like to put there for example author, so it means it goes like this, and I would like to put here a year, so it means published year. Okay, so for example or this will be 1997. Okay, so now you can work with these attributes like title, author, year, like this. If you want to print book 1 dot title, so and I will run it, so you can see Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Okay, like this. I guess, guys, that I have a typo here. It's stone, correct? If you would like to print out or work with your code with author, you will print it like this, J.K. Rowling, and so on and so on. And here will be like this. Okay, so perfect. So now we can do that with other books as well. So this is the first book. I would put here the second book, and it will goes exactly the same. So it's Harry Potter and the Chamber of the Secret. After that, book 2 author will be again J.K. Rowling, like this. Book 2 dot year will be 1998, and the third object, I will erase this. Sorry, I will erase these comments. Okay, like this. And book 3 dot title, it will be Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. So it goes like this. Book 3 author again J.K. Rowling, and book 3 dot year, it's 1999. Correct? Perfect. I will erase this as well. Now we have a clean code. Perfect. So if you want to work with these attributes, so it means, for example, book 2 dot year, and this will be 1998. We can see it here. Okay, so you can try that. Now we have our objects here, and the object has a title, author, and year.